Hi people, today as you can see I'm outward. I went out for a walk and now I'm in a park where I can relax, take a breath here. I really enjoy nature. Today is a Sunday evening. It's really quiet. There are birds flying and reaching some branches. I can hear them chirping. I'm not sweating because there is a gentle breeze. Trees cover me from sun, so there is shadow. Earlier I was listening to some podcast, so I wear these headphone. It was about dating app and modern dating in general. It's an interesting topic for me. Maybe someday I will talk about that. I struggle to speak in English. I feel awkward and I want to be perfect. This is my problem. I don't want to appear awkward and ignorant and do mistakes. But you know what? This is the only way. Practice is the only way to improve. Damn it. Some mosquitoes stung me and I'm annoyed by this, but I'm not gonna itch me because otherwise it get worse. The cicadas are singing. I don't know if you can hear them. Uh, I hope that mosquitoes will be parsimonious with me. You know, I'm not their meal. Or maybe yes. Do you like going for walk to take a break from work or whatever? I need to go poop and so I'm going to come back at home as quickly as possible. You know, yeah, I'm nature, so but no, it's not a big deal. I'm not you know a tribal man.